Hello, welcome back to Global Weltrade Synthesis Signal Providers channel. If this is your first time of visiting this YouTube channel, do your best to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you get notified each time I upload a new content. Try to refer this channel to your network so that YouTube pushes to a high level of audience. The last video I uploaded was left to right channel concept in Forex synthetic market, and it actually teaches you that market evolve from left to right, and so you shouldn't panic. You shouldn't just take the wrong direction because you feel like the market cannot give you the right entry. You should be patient for the right entry because it will always flow left to right. Right here today we are talking about Nodal / loop problems in Forex synthetic market. Nodal, you can call it Nodal or Nodal / loop problems for synthetic market. Most of the time, okay, I'm gonna do some illustration. Okay, most of the time in the price time axis, the market create loops and nodes and it respects them. Okay, it respects them. For instance, we have I'm gonna use line chart. Okay, we have a price movement like this. This is a price movement. Market go up and then slightly tap here, and then it go up, create a high. Okay, create a high, and then try to create some sort of pullback, and then do something like this, and then go up, come back, and then go up. Now there is something that you see here, like a range. That is a loop. There is invisible range here. It's also a loop. Then there is a range here. Don't mind this. Don't mind this. Don't mind here. Okay. So there is a range here. These ranges are called loop or node. Okay. So following the fact that the market move in such a way that if it is selling, it keeps selling indefinitely, and if it is buying, it keeps buying indefinitely. But when they do come near this node and loop, it has 90 to 95% reversal characteristics. It will just reverse. Some people, the market is selling, but let me wait for some resistance, and you wait. Oh, there is a resistance. There is a sort of resistance here, and then you wanna sell again. But you see what the market did? It creates a new high because of what is happening here. This is called order flow or order block. Okay, so we're gonna go to chart right here to make this thing more clear. Okay, before I continue, if you have been losing money in the Forex synthetic market, especially in the Weltrade market, we actually handle every broker. We handle the we handle Weltrade, we handle Business, we handle Ice Market, we handle other brokers, we handle Prop as well. Make sure you talk to us on Telegram. We're gonna provide the best account management. We're gonna give you the best signal service. We're gonna mentor you. We're gonna provide courses. There's a difference between a course and mentorship. Mentorship is like a leadership program. It's like, converting you to behave the way we behave and live the lifestyle we live. Okay, and a course is just a kind of a strategy that can take you a couple of let's say a month or maybe 2 months to complete, or sometimes 2 to 3 weeks or even a week. So it can be a couple of videos with some PDF. That's because but mentorship is a long-term teaching process where you have access to the trader's daily trades, how he produces those trades. You see the flaws of the trader if it exists, and you learn from it. Like you copy and paste the trader's performances and lifestyle. You try to behave your psychology will be like that of that trader that is mentoring you. You want to become a mentee, like you wanna live like somebody else. You don't have this lifestyle, you don't have this skill, but you wanna follow up this person for a long time, maybe a year, 3 years, lifetime. Each mentorship comes with prizes, and that's good. So I'm gonna go to chat to do the practical part of this. Okay, right here I'm gonna use candlestick and also line chart to explain this. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, because I know this video is very interesting, because you're gonna give you money, right? Comment your country, because I might visit your country so that we collaborate and we'll be able to actually reach more people to have this knowledge of trading. You know, you can see that the more you have group of traders who are ready to learn, the more there is bond, and the more everyone will be able to gain better knowledge, because this is win-win situation. So comment your country. If I like your country, I can come to your country. Okay, that's good. Right here I'm in 4 hours time frame. This is Flip S2 index in the Weltrade market. Okay, so when you consider markets, you are looking for this node and loops. So how do we notice them in the candlestick domain? You look for areas of weak rejection, and then you consider whether the market is creating a higher high or a lower high. If the market is creating a higher high, you definitely know that this node and loops will create a buy if price tap near them. Look at what I mean. You see here, the market move up and reach this maximum price, and you already know that as it is moving up, it take out this session. I'm doing structural analysis right here, then I will go back to loop and node analysis. So it took out this low and create that high, and then drop and saturate here, and then create a new high. No matter how small and no matter the difference of these highs, it is a new high. Yes, at least you can see there is a difference like this. There is there is that difference there. Okay, to get a new high. So that symbolizes the market has a buy pressure. It's simple. It's a simple logic. It's a 1-year-old child who is taught about this, or like a 1-year-old child can be smartly believe that this is true, because if you condition the child to raising the market, he will know that this market creates a new high, so it will definitely create another new high in the future. Like everything is risk, so you have to take the risk. When you see certain reason, you take the risk. When you take risk without a pure valid price action reason, then that risk is going to lose. Even if you make profit, you're a loser, because maybe you make the profit by mistake. In the long time, you will lose. Your win rate will go close to 0%. So you have to be careful. Like you need to take seriousness on knowing the reason why you're entering the market, right? So you see what this market is. So right now, I will go to and loop analysis. I'm going to load node and loop analysis. So right here, you see this that I said weak rejection. We use it to mark ranges, these ranges are the node or loops. So my biggest prayer, my biggest breakthrough is I want price to come and tap in this session. I want price to come and tap in this session. I will just buy. I'm not going to fear. I'm not going to wait for change of trend. It is automatic liquidity grab strategy. Yes. It doesn't mean every strategy is 100%. It doesn't mean because I said it, once you take such trade, you're going to win. No, but I'm telling you the fact that this thing happen most of the time. YouTube videos are for celebrity and content purpose. They are not financial advice, right? So because they are not financial advice, everything said is at your own risk. You have to be responsible for the risk you are taking. Okay? Now, because you have to be responsible for the risk you are taking, if you now want a better condition, a better term and condition of giving you financial freedom, then you actually apply for account management. You actually invest with us, and then we give you the terms and conditions, and then once you accept the terms and conditions, then you will be at better statistical age to make it, to become financially free, because we are more, what we say in the video is just maybe small fraction of what we do in real market. So in real market, we are more cautious, and hidden knowledges, natural knowledges, metaphysical powers we use it to get the right trade. Okay? Experiences we have over the years, over 20 years experience in the market, use it to get the right trade. And right here, you see the market fly and create even 10 times high price than previous higher prices. Okay, and that's cool. And right here, I'm gonna show you more examples. This time I'm gonna use line charts. Let's go there. So we're gonna rotate the screen. And right here, we're gonna go to line charts. This is it. Okay. If I am on the line chart and looking for, let me change an asset, or let me still be on this asset. Okay, let me be on this asset. I'm looking for the market structure first. I have to analyze the structure of the market first. I have to check the key levels, the major areas of values in the market. I have to see patterns. Okay, so right here, I notice that this market reaches this maximum level in the line chart. It reaches this maximum level and couldn't try to come back there again. So I also noticed there is a bound, there is a trend, there is this trend line can show us that this market respect this trend line. Okay, so like this, you will now know that sellers are in this market. Sellers are the one controlling. The major thing in trading is to know who is on your side. Who are you following? Who are you joining? Because it's a group action. In group theory, a group controls the minors. The major group controls the minors. So the major group here is the sellers, because of the downtrend line and the fact that they couldn't break the resistance level, the maximum resistance level zone, which is the yellow zone here. Now I will do my nodal analysis, nodes or loop analysis. How will I do it? I'm looking for nodes. Not every node I will take. I'll just take few nodes. I'll just take major nodes. A node that is going to give me success. A node that has high probability to give profit for our sister here. And so what I'm gonna do here is I shake where there are ripples, and if I can join this ripple, especially if the ripples are as many as they can, it also makes sense. So there are ripples here. So this ripple is a node, is a loop. Okay, so I have to label it. I wait for price to come here. There are other loops and nodes, but I don't need it. I need the one that will give me sniper entry, the one that have the least order. And how do you know? You will know because you are looking for sell. So the maximum price should give you the best sell. Okay, so I will look for node that has probability to generate the highest price. So these nodes can always generate the highest price in the vicinity. In this vicinity, so I'm gonna sell here. I don't need to wait for change of trend. This is automatic. These are automatic signals because they are called liquidity sweep. They are liquidity sweep. It is called because it have to sweep as many nodes as possible to reach that major high profitable nodes. Okay, so you tap here, then you sell. You see, the market creates as many lows as possible, showing you that you are right. You see, it breaks this low, keep creating lows. That's power of this idea. I'm gonna be ending this video. I'm happy that all of you are following me since the inception of this channel. I think this channel started last year, 2020, beginning of 2025. I'm very happy. All of you that have worked tirelessly with me. Some people invested, some people joined the VIP signals, some people buy my courses, some people commented, some people like my videos. I pray for all of you for good life, for wealth, for money, from the knowledge I'm giving you people. I pray that you people make more money. And I pray that you people do not waste your money unnecessarily or lose money unnecessarily. If you're gonna lose that money, invest with us. We're gonna help you. If you're gonna trade wrong signal, buy our signal. We're gonna make you profitable. If you're gonna trade with quacks and wrong knowledge, buy our mentorship courses, buy our courses or mentorship classes. Enroll for our mentorship classes. Okay, we have 1 year, we have 3 years, we even have 6 months, and then we have lifetime. Okay, so I'll be ending this video. Thank you. Bye for now.